Martin and the Dragon, Part 2. So, hello, Dragon, Martin called as he made his way down the rickety dungeon staircase. You again. I'm on to your recursive tricks. The Dragon did not sound glad to see him. I'm supposed to find out what 5 factorial is, Martin said. What's factorial mean, anyway? At this, the Dragon put on a most offended air and said, I'm not going to tell you. Look it up in a book. All right, said Martin. Just tell me what 5 factorial is, and I'll leave you alone. You don't know what factorial means, but you want me to tell you what factorial of 5 is? All right, Buster, I'll tell you, not that it will do you any good. Factorial of 5 is 5 times factorial of 4. I hope you're satisfied. Don't forget to bolt the door on your way out. What's the factorial of 4? Asked Martin, not at all pleased with the Dragon's evasiveness. Factorial of 4... Give an unpleased Martin. Factorial of 4, why, it's the 4 times the factorial of 3, of course. And I suppose you're going to tell me that the factorial of 3 is 3 times the factorial of 2? What a clever boy you are, said the Dragon. Now, go away. Not yet, Martin replied. Factorial of 2 is 2 times factorial of 1. Factorial of 1 is 1 times factorial of 0. Now what? Factorial of 0 is 1, said the Dragon. That's really all you ever need to remember about factorials. Said Martin. There's got to be a pattern to this function. Perhaps I should write down the steps I've gone through. So he grabbed a stick and wrote in the dungeon floor the following. 5 factorial equals 5 times factorial. Oops, I should probably write this on the side. Factorial of 5 equals 5 times factorial of 4. Okay. 5 times 4 times the factorial of 3, which is 5 times 4 times 3 times the factorial of 2, which is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times the factorial of 1, which is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times the factorial of 0. 0 factorial always equals 1. So this all equates to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 1. And we could work it out the other way. Aha! Said Martin. And he started to write again. So factorial of 5 times 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 3 times 2 times 1 equals 6. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 24. And 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 1 equals 120. Hey, Martin said, factorial of 5 is 120. That's the answer. Thanks. I didn't tell you the answer, said the Dragon testily. I only told you that the factorial of 0 is 1, and factorial of n is n times factorial of n minus 1. You did the rest yourself. Recursively, I might add. That's true, said Martin. Now, if I only knew what recursively meant.